ผมชื่อประเสริฐชิววงศ์ประเสริฐเป็นคนปลูกต้นไม้ต้นแรกในลากูน่าภูเก็ตเลยเหมืองมีมาตั้งแต่เรายังเด็กๆอยู่เลยต้นไม้ก็จะหมดไปใช่ไหมก็เขาเอาดินลงไปทำเอาแร่ดีบุกเมื่อก่อนเขาไม่หวงเลยต้นไม้คนจะตัดอะไรก็ไม่ว่าก็ดูแลต้นไม้ขึ้นมันจะล่มลื่นไงมันดีมากต้นไม้
Sometimes starting from the beginning can help shape where you want to go in the future. It's the first place that Banyan Tree was born over 30 years ago, and we transformed it into what you see today. Now we're going through the next transformation.
SUGi specializes in the restoration of native forests, creating native forests of native trees. So Phuket's one of those biodiversity very rich areas. It contains 1,250 species of tree. 99% of it's gone. We researched in an area called Khao, which is the last remaining nucleus of rainforest on the island to identify those crucial native species, because they each have their individual ecosystem. It's taken millions of years to form. Insects, flora, fauna, fungi, bacteria, all sorts of organisms that are dependent on that tree. And without that tree, that ecosystem wouldn't exist.
This rewilding project with SUGi, we are redesigning the way that people interact with nature, activating all these in-between spaces where people also fall in love with nature in a different way.
We've planted 7,500 trees. For our projects, we use the Miyawaki method. It's based on 4 primary steps. The first is native species identification. The second is soil restoration. We're then looking to plant specifically as a forest would grow, and then we combine that with mulching because it's recreating that forest floor.
ผู้ใหญ่ที่มาเรียนรู้กับเรามาปลูกต้นไม้กันเถอะค่ะ
When I was young, I'm always running around here. Actually, I fall in love with the nature. The nature is meditation. Make the hotel at the home. We try to learn, we try to teaching, we try to make things happen, and the nature you have to connect together.
The health of the environment, the happiness of the community, the way that nature is experienced and taken care of and conserved and regenerated is fundamental. The power of what we can do and our vision is to invite nature into people's lives in a way that leads them to love nature. With that love instead of fear, change their own behavior and change the systems that we need.